Starting a laser engraving business is an exciting journey. First, research your niche. Think personalized gifts or custom signage. Next, invest in a quality laser engraver. It's the heart of your operation. Don't forget to master design software. It's essential for creating stunning visuals. Build a portfolio by offering your services to friends or local businesses. Marketing is key. Leverage social media and local events to showcase your work. Finally, stay compliant with local regulations and pricing strategies. With passion and persistence, you can turn your creativity into a thriving business. When it comes to laser cutting, understanding wattage and material thickness is crucial. Higher wattage means more power, allowing you to cut through thicker materials faster. For instance, a 40-watt laser can handle thin acrylic, but if you're tackling something like wood or metal, you'll need at least 100 watts. But it's not just about power. The material's density and type play a huge role too. Softer materials like foam cut easily, while denser materials require more precision and slower speeds. Balancing wattage with thickness ensures clean cuts and prevents damage. It's all about finding that sweet spot for your project. Designing a 3D puzzle with a laser cutter is an exhilarating blend of creativity and precision. First, I sketch my idea, considering how each piece will fit together. Then I use design software to create a digital model, ensuring every edge is perfect for that satisfying snap. Once I send it to the laser cutter, the magic happens, watching the machine slice through wood or acrylic with incredible accuracy is mesmerizing. After cutting, I assemble the pieces, and it's thrilling to see my design come to life. The best part? Each puzzle tells a story, inviting others to engage and explore. It's not just a project, it's a journey of imagination and craftsmanship. Creating modular furniture from plywood with a laser cutter is a game changer. First, I design my pieces using CAD software, ensuring they fit together seamlessly. The laser cutter then brings my vision to life, precisely cutting intricate patterns and joints. Plywood is not just sturdy, it's lightweight and eco-friendly, making it perfect for versatile furniture. Once cut, assembly is a breeze, no screws needed. I can easily reconfigure my furniture to suit any space, whether it's a cozy apartment or a spacious studio. Plus, the unique designs add a personal touch to my home. It's functional art at its best. Designing your own home decor with laser-cut wood is an exciting way to add a personal touch to your space. Imagine transforming a simple piece of wood into intricate wall art or custom shelves that reflect your style. The precision of laser cutting allows for detailed designs, from geometric patterns to nature-inspired motifs. You can choose the type of wood, the finish, and even incorporate colors that match your decor. Plus, it's a sustainable option. Using reclaimed wood not only looks great, but also helps the environment. So, unleash your creativity, sketch your ideas, and watch them come to life with the magic of laser cutting. Laser-cut fabric patterns are revolutionizing the fashion industry. Imagine intricate designs that were once impossible to create by hand, now effortlessly crafted with precision. This technology allows designers to experiment with textures and shapes, pushing the boundaries of creativity. From delicate lace to bold geometric patterns, laser cutting not only enhances aesthetics, but also reduces fabric waste, making fashion more sustainable. It's fascinating how a simple beam of light can transform fabric into wearable art, merging innovation with style. The future of fashion is here, and it's sharper than ever. Creating architectural models with laser precision is like bringing blueprints to life. Imagine a laser cutter slicing through materials with pinpoint accuracy, transforming sheets of wood and acrylic into intricate designs. Each cut is a dance of technology and creativity, allowing us to visualize spaces before they're built. The precision ensures that every angle, every curve, aligns perfectly, making it easier to spot design flaws early on. Plus, the speed of laser cutting means we can iterate quickly, refining our ideas in real time. It's not just about building models. It's about crafting a vision that's ready to stand the test of time. Imagine transforming simple materials into stunning holiday decorations with just a laser cutter. It's like having a magic wand for crafting. Start with some wood or acrylic sheets. These are perfect for creating ornaments, gift tags, or even personalized decorations. Just design your shapes on software, hit print, and watch the laser do its thing. You can create intricate snowflakes or festive signs in minutes. Plus, the precision is unmatched, giving your crafts a professional touch. Don't forget to experiment with different materials like felt or cardboard for unique textures. With a laser cutter, holiday crafting becomes not just easy, but truly enjoyable. When it comes to laser cutting, safety is non-negotiable, especially regarding ventilation and fume extraction. The process generates harmful fumes and particles that can compromise air quality. A proper ventilation system is essential. It not only protects your health, but also ensures a clean workspace. High-efficiency particulate air filters, or HEPA filters, are your best friends here, capturing even the tiniest particles. And don't forget about airflow. Make sure your extraction system is powerful enough to keep the air moving. Prioritizing ventilation means you can focus on creativity without compromising safety. Remember, a safe workspace is a productive workspace. If you're looking to sell your laser-cut products online, there are some fantastic platforms to consider. Etsy is a go-to for handmade and unique items, perfect for reaching craft enthusiasts. Then there's Shopify, which lets you create your own store and customize it to your heart's content. Don't overlook Amazon Handmade. It's a great way to tap into a massive audience. For a more niche market, check out Artfire or Zibbit. And if you're feeling adventurous, social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook can also be powerful sales tools. Just remember, great photos and engaging descriptions can make all the difference. When it comes to improving cut quality, Air Assist and focus settings are game changers. Air Assist helps to blow away debris from the cutting area, ensuring a cleaner cut and reducing the risk of flare-ups. It's like having a personal assistant that keeps your workspace tidy. Now, let's talk focus settings. Adjusting the focus ensures the laser beam is sharp and precise, which means cleaner edges and less post-processing. Experimenting with different focus points can reveal the sweet spot for your material. So remember, combining Air Assist with the right focus settings can elevate your cuts from good to exceptional.
When it comes to engraving, choosing between vector and raster methods can make all the difference. Vector engraving is perfect for designs with clean lines and sharp edges, like logos or text. It uses paths to create precise cuts, ensuring your details pop. On the other hand, raster engraving is ideal for images and photos. It works like a printer, using pixels to create depth and shading, making your images come alive. So, if you want crisp outlines, go vector. For rich textures and gradients, raster is your best bet. Understanding these differences helps you achieve stunning results every time. To keep your laser cutter performing at its best, regular maintenance is key. Start by cleaning the lens and mirrors with a soft, lint-free cloth and some lens cleaner. This ensures a focused beam and crisp cuts. Next, check the air assist nozzle for clogs. A clear nozzle means better airflow and less residue. Don't forget to empty the debris tray after each project to prevent buildup. Lastly, inspect the belts and rails for wear and tear. Tighten or replace them as needed. A little routine care goes a long way in extending the life of your machine and enhancing your project. Integrating laser cutting with CNC and 3D printing revolutionizes the way we create. Imagine designing a complex part on your computer, then using 3D printing to build the base structure. Next, you switch to laser cutting for precision edges and intricate details. This synergy not only enhances accuracy, but also speeds up production. You can create lightweight, custom components that traditional methods struggle with. Plus, the ability to iterate quickly means you can test and refine designs in real time. It's a game changer for industries like aerospace and automotive, where innovation is key. Embracing this triad of technology opens up endless possibilities for creativity and efficiency. Creating custom jewelry with laser engraving is a game changer. Imagine transforming a simple piece into a unique treasure with just a few clicks. The precision of laser engraving allows for intricate designs, from delicate patterns to personalized messages. You can engrave names, dates, or even a special quote that holds meaning. The process is quick and efficient. In minutes, you can turn a plain pendant into a heartfelt gift. Plus, the durability of the engraving ensures it lasts a lifetime. Whether it's for a loved one or a treat for yourself, custom jewelry adds a personal touch that mass produced items simply can't match. Laser cutting leather opens up a world of creativity. First, always choose the right leather type. Vegetable tanned works, best for clean cuts. Adjust your settings. A slower speed and higher power give you those crisp edges. Remember to test on scraps before diving into your main piece. For design ideas, think beyond simple shapes. Try intricate patterns or layered designs for depth. And don't forget about engraving. Personalizing items with names or logos adds a unique touch. With a little practice, you'll transform leather into stunning pieces that showcase your style and craftsmanship. Personalized gifts using laser engraving are a game changer. Imagine giving a beautifully engraved wooden box with a loved one's name or a special date. It's not just a gift, it's a keepsake that tells a story. Laser engraving allows for incredible detail, from intricate designs to heartfelt messages, all on materials like glass, metal, or leather. The precision of the laser means every piece is unique, making your gift truly one of a kind. Plus, it's perfect for any occasion, weddings, birthdays, or just because. Personalized gifts show you care, and with laser engraving, you can turn ordinary items into extraordinary treasures. Laser cutters are a game changer for entrepreneurs. One of the most profitable products you can create is custom signage. Personalized signs for homes or businesses are always in demand. Next up, think about jewelry. Unique laser cut designs can really stand out in the market. Then there are home decor items like wall art or coasters. People love unique touches for their spaces. Don't overlook functional items either. Laser cut organizers and storage solutions are hot sellers. Finally, consider creating custom gifts, everything from engraved keychains to personalized cutting boards. With a laser cutter, the possibilities are endless and the profit potential is huge. When pricing your laser cut items, start by calculating your costs. Consider materials, machine time, and overhead. A good rule of thumb is to multiply your total costs by 3 to ensure a profit margin. Next, research your competitors. See what similar items are selling for. Don't undervalue your work. Unique designs can command higher prices. Factor in your time and creativity too. Lastly, test different price points and listen to customer feedback. Adjust as needed, and remember, pricing is an art as much as a science. Building a brand around custom laser engraving is all about creativity and connection. Each piece tells a story, whether it's a personalized gift or a unique home decor item. The key is to focus on quality. Invest in a reliable laser engraver and experiment with different materials. Showcase your work on social media, highlighting the intricate details that set your brand apart. Engage with your audience by sharing behind the scenes processes and customer testimonials. Remember, it's not just about the product, it's about creating an emotional bond with your customers. That's how you turn a simple engraving into a cherished memory.